Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Listening. I'm Jacob, your host. This channel is all about helping you practice your listening skills. So let's get started. Dreams are often described as distant visions of a future we desire, but in reality, they are reflections of our inner values. They reveal what we believe is meaningful, even if we are not fully aware of it. A dream is not just something we want to achieve, it is something that represents who we want to become. Goals, on the other hand, are structured expressions of intention. While dreams exist in imagination, goals exist in reality. They require definition, commitment, and action. The moment a dream is translated into a goal, it becomes exposed to effort, failure, and time. This is where many people hesitate because clarity removes comfort. One of the most difficult aspects of pursuing goals is accepting uncertainty. Progress is rarely linear. There are periods of growth, followed by stagnation, doubt, and sometimes regression. Many people abandon their goals not because they lack ability, but because they misinterpret discomfort as failure. In truth, discomfort is often a sign of meaningful change. Another challenge lies in motivation. Motivation is unreliable. It rises quickly and disappears just as fast. Relying on motivation alone makes goals fragile. Sustainable progress depends on discipline, the quiet decision to continue even when enthusiasm is absent. Discipline transforms effort into routine, and routine into identity. There is also a psychological tension between ambition and reality. Ambition pushes us forward, but reality reminds us of limitations. Mature goal setting requires balancing both. Unrealistic goals can lead to burnout, while goals that are too safe lead to stagnation. Growth exists in the space between comfort and overwhelm. Dreams are often romanticized, but the process of achieving them is usually ordinary and repetitive. It involves consistent action, delayed rewards, and long periods without visible results. This reality contradicts the popular idea of sudden success, yet it is the most common path to meaningful achievement. Another overlooked element is self-perception. People often unconsciously act in ways that align with how they see themselves. If someone believes they are not capable, their behavior will quietly confirm that belief. Achieving goals, therefore, requires not only external action, but internal redefinition. You must begin to see yourself as someone who follows through. Failure plays a critical role in this process. Failure is not the opposite of success, it is information. Each failure exposes weaknesses, assumptions, and areas for adjustment. Those who reach long-term goals are not those who avoid failure, but those who learn to extract value from it without losing direction. Time is another misunderstood factor. People often overestimate what they can achieve in a short period and underestimate what they can achieve over years. Dreams demand patience. Goals demand consistency. When these two qualities align, progress becomes inevitable, even if it is slow. Ultimately, dreams give life meaning, but goals give life structure. Dreams answer the question, why, while goals answer the question, how. When both are aligned, effort feels purposeful rather than exhausting. The pursuit itself becomes valuable, not just the outcome. In the end, achieving dreams is less about extraordinary talent and more about sustained commitment. Those who succeed are not always the most gifted, but they are often the most persistent. They understand that clarity, discipline, and patience are not optional. They are the price of becoming who you imagined yourself to be. All right, everyone, that's it for today on Daily English Listening. I'm Jacob, and I hope this helped you practice your listening skills. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more daily English practice. See you next time.